friends, Sincerely Lagenia here. Welcome back to my channel. Hello to all of my subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, I want to encourage you to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join me on a weekly basis, and also move on over and hit that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new recipe. Today I have for you guys a treat. Again, to give another shout out to my mother, who always tags me in these delicious recipes. My mom tagged me in this recipe, and it's one pan chicken and veggies. Well, of course, I tweaked it a little bit and made it my own, and I want to present this dish to you all today. It is so delicious. Absolutely delicious, and I kid you not. We're gonna take a whole chicken, we're gonna season it down real good, we're gonna take some fresh veggies, some fresh broccoli, some onions and bell peppers, we're gonna put them in that one pan with that chicken, we're gonna season it, and we are going to have ourselves a treat. I've already started preheating my oven at 475 degrees, and now I'm gonna get started with the seasonings. So let's dig right on in. Okay guys, now we're gonna get started with the seasoning, and so I'm gonna start out with a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of ground sage, 1 teaspoon of marjoram leaves, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and salt to taste. I'm going to scale this, I'm going to guess about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to mix that all together. Now it's time to chop up our veggies. I've added our vegetables to a gallon size freezer bag. I'm gonna add my onion here. And to this, I'm gonna add olive oil to my veggies. And then I'm going to add about half of the seasonings here to the veggies. Okay, I'm gonna stir this, mix this around really good. Now it's time to prepare my chicken. I've already cut it up and washed it, and now I'm going to season it, and I too am going to put the chicken in a freezer bag here. It's so much easier. To my bag here. Move this over to the side. To this. Add olive oil to the bag. Then we'll add the remainder of the seasoning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put about half of that in there, and then I'm gonna shake it up. I'm gonna take these gloves off first so I can really do some work. When I get ready to take the chicken out, I'll use use my tongs. Okay. And then I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning. Now I'm going to add my vegetables to the pan. Baking sheet here. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. This smells so good. We got broccoli, onions, and bell peppers in here. You know, you guys can use any vegetables that you want. Red, yellow, and green bell pepper would be fabulous in this. I just used the vegetables that I had on hand. And that was what I have right here. Broccoli, onion, and bell pepper. So that's what I used. So now we're just going to put our chicken in our pan. Now I'm getting ready to put our chicken and vegetables in the oven at 475 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to turn the temperature down to 400 degrees and allow our food to finish cooking. And then I will be back. Okay, everybody, so I came in to check on the chicken and vegetables, and oh my, it smells so good, and then it looks so good. You guys have got to see this. Look at this. Ah, it's smelling so good. Ah, look at that. Y'all, I just, I wish there was like smell a tube or something. I wish y'all could smell this. Okay, everyone, so now I have removed the chicken from the oven, and I'm going to take the vegetables out because clearly the vegetables don't need to cook as long as the chicken. And then I'm going to put the chicken back in the oven for another 30 minutes. And then it's time to eat. Now it's tasting time. Ooh. The best part of cooking, of course, is eating your meal. So I've got this. I've already cut into it. I meant to let y'all see it. Let me just see. I done already cut into it. I don't know if y'all can see it. So we got my broccoli, my chicken here, and I put some veggies on top there. I got me a piece of the chicken breast there. Get that, and some broccoli, some onions. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, I got that joy. Oh, yes. Whoa. This chicken is juicy. It's tender. This broccoli and onion and bell pepper, along with these seasonings. I mean, it's a perfect combination. Perfect. This season blend is so delicious. So delicious. I wouldn't change a thing. This dish makes me happy. It's hearty. Oh my. Oh my. You just have to make sure you keep an eye on your veggies so that they don't overcook. When I saw that my broccoli had gotten that nice char around the edge, I went on and took them out. They came out perfectly. I cannot wait for my family to taste this. Friends, thank you again for joining me today on Sincerely Lagenia. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. Please remember to like this video if you did in fact like this video. Don't forget, if you're new here to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll always know whenever I upload a new keto friendly recipe. I highly recommend today's recipe. This one pan chicken dish is fabulous. It is definitely a winner, and your family is going to enjoy it. Thank you guys again so much. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and wonderful day. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Sincerely, Lagenia.